Sustainable water management practices in Sai Poorna Paradise apartments. Sai Poorna Paradise is an apartment complex situated in HSR layout towards the southeastern Bengaluru. It was established in 2008, housing a total of 88 flats, out of which 80 are currently occupied. The apartment is home to 192 residents. The apartment complex requires about 50,000 to 55,000 litres of fresh water a day, and the per person water consumption is around 250 to 300 litres a day. The community does not have a Kaveri water connection, so they primarily relied on borewell and water tankers for their water needs. The two borewells drilled in 2005 have been a primary water source. Over time, the borewell yield began declining, leading to a rise in apartments' reliance on water tanker. Starting in 2017, the complex began heavily depending on water tankers for its daily water supply. During an 8-month period from November to June, around 11 to 13 tankers, each with a 5,000 litre capacity, were procured daily at a cost of Rs 550 to Rs 600 per tanker. This reliance translated to an annual expenditure of Rs 16 to 18 lakhs. Sai Poorna Apartments opted against obtaining Bengaluru Water Supply and Sewerage Board Kaveri water connection due to the steep sum required as a deposit. Instead, the association has chosen to enhance water supply through alternative initiatives. These include the implementation of rainwater harvesting, that is rooftop rainwater harvesting, groundwater recharge, implementing individual household metering, using the treated wastewater. Between 2017 and 18, Sai Poorna Paradise integrated rainwater harvesting and surface runoff into its water management strategy. This harvested rainwater serves a dual purpose, recharging the groundwater and providing a stored water source for various needs. Through meticulous calculations accounting for runoff and surface area, Sai Poorna Apartments can potentially harvest 10,454 kiloliters of rainwater annually. The rainwater is filtered in a rainwater filter and subsequently passes through an in-pipe sand filter referred to as the indoor filter. This indoor filter incorporates jellystones or crushed chips with sizes ranging from 20 mm to 40 mm. After filtration, the water is let into the borewells. A portion of the rooftop generated rainwater is guided to a sump tank via a controlling valve. In 2018 and 19, 4 recharge wells were dug in low-lying areas which efficiently managed surface runoff. These wells, each measuring 5 feet in width, comprise 2 that are 15 feet deep and the other 2 which were initially 5 feet deep and deepened to 10 feet. The objective of the Residents' Welfare Association was to attain complete independence from water tankers. To achieve this, they introduced individual household metering in the year 2019 to 20. The apartment charges a fee of Rs 100 per kiloliter, equivalent to 10 paisa per litre for water usage. Following the installation of these household meters, the water demand experienced a 50% decline. That is, the aggregate water demand decreased from a range of 50,000 to 55,000 litres down to 27,000 litres per day. The apartment also houses a 60,000 litre capacity sewage treatment plant upgraded with silicone diffusers in 2019-20. This not only reduced sludge generation but also significantly lowered operational cost for the STP. The treated wastewater from the STP is used for flushing and gardening. With the implementation of individual household metering, there was a notable reduction of 50% in the inflow to the STP. Thus, the annual sewage treatment plant operations expenditure reduced notably from Rs 90,000 to Rs 30,000. The implementation of direct borewell recharge has significantly enhanced borewell yield. Consequently, the community's reliance on water tankers has diminished, dropping from 11 to 2 tankers over a 3-month period from April to June in a year. This reduction in water tankers usage has resulted in cost savings, bringing down the expenses from Rs 18 to 20 lakhs to below 1 lakh rupees. The overall water consumption decreased from 50,000 to 55,000 litres a day to 27,000 litres a day.